Hi, my name is Colin Irvine. I'm a member of the English department here at Augsburg College. I'm obsessed with what they call narratology, with the study of stories, how they're constructed, crafted, manipulated. I used to be a high school teacher for 3 years at my old high school in Boise, Idaho. I'm obsessed with what they call narratology, with the study of stories, how they're constructed, crafted, manipulated. And it was an absolute ideal teaching situation. One of those stories that I bring to this, or part of the experience that I bring, is the fact that I'm a first-generation college student, and I mention this because many of the students here at Augsburg are first-generation students. My mom worked in a print shop for about 30 years. Hi Mom, if you're watching this out on the World Wide Web, which is highly unlikely. Another one of the sets of experiences or stories that I bring to this undertaking relates to sports. I'm very interested in sports. I have been my whole life. I used to play sports in high school, and then in college I played sports as well, and then when I was teaching high school I coached football for 5 years. And my dad worked as a carpenter for about 15 years before he worked maintenance, and he was actually the janitor, and is the janitor at my old high school. 3 undefeated seasons, by the way. I'm obsessed with what they call narratology. One of the things I'm most thrilled about is the approach that we're going to take. We're going to take an interdisciplinary approach that looks at issues that are problem-based, and we're setting aside the idea of discrete courses, and we're focusing on issues that are timely and important. And the goal for me, or one of the goals for me, is to help you become better readers, and, in keeping with the metaphor for the course, better consumers of narrative. And the reason this interests me is because of what it involves, what it invites in us as teachers, and what it involves and how it invites the students to bring all of their stories, all of their experiences. And I coach baseball, and I used to teach skiing, and I just absolutely love all things associated with athletics and the outdoors. Alright, why do I tell you all these stories and tell you all these things about myself? A couple of reasons. One, I like this approach to teaching and learning, this interdisciplinary approach. I come to this integrated term and this learning community's approach to teaching with all of my experiences and all of my passions. And the people that I work with are going to do the same, and the students that are in our class are going to do the same. We're all going to bring all of our interests, our background, our passions. We're going to try to address and solve problems. And so this is the reason that I tell you these things about myself. I want you to know me, and I look forward to getting to know you. I'm Colin Irvine, and I approve this message. That's it. That's all I got to say about that. I couldn't resist.